Hello and welcome viewers to Healthdear YouTube channel. We know that aloe vera contains many properties, but until now we have talked about its properties when we use it externally. But what about consuming it? This can help us lose weight quickly. Want to know how it is done by consuming it? Just watch the video till the end. In this video, I will tell you 2 ways to consume aloe vera juice for weight loss. For the first aloe vera juice, you will need a freshly cut leaf of aloe vera. If the leaf is too big, you can take just half of it. Cut open the leaf through its length and then scoop out the gel with a spoon or a butter knife. Now take a glass of your favorite fruit juice. Any citrus fruit juice will do, and mix 1 tablespoon of this gel in it. That's it. Your aloe vera juice is ready to be consumed. The second recipe is aloe vera smoothie. For this you will need a bunch of spinach, half cup aloe vera juice, half cup water, pinch of salt and some ginger flakes. Put all the above mentioned ingredients in a blender. Blend it until it gets smooth consistency. Your healthy weight loss smoothie is ready to be consumed. With this smoothie, you get the goodness of both spinach and aloe vera. Before we come to the end of the video, let me quickly tell you when to drink it for fast weight loss. Take this juice on an empty stomach in the morning or consume this mix before hitting the gym. Accompany this aloe vera drink with some physical activity and a diet free of fats and processed foods. And look at how in just a week you will feel much lighter and energetic. Thank you for watching this video. If you think this video was useful and informative, please like and subscribe my channel. Have a beautiful day ahead. Meet you next time. Until then, stay happy and healthy.